How do you think about kind of throughout the rest of this year investing in this sort of climate? Does
Yeah.
the bar get much higher for companies that are burning a lot of cash, or is it kind of status quo, thinking that things are going to go back to normal by year end?
Yeah, definitely not status quo. I mean, I think for about 2 years now, valuations have been just overpriced and crazy. So I think what's going to happen now is that this is very much a double-edged sword. So the portfolio companies that we've already invested in are going to suffer, right? Because all their clients are going to suffer.
Of course.
So I think your existing investments need to be probably marked down mentally. And you have to start doing some, start earning your salary and start doing some very smart portfolio management in terms of how you help them hit this crisis. So for example, just to put an example in that, this morning we were looking at the CARES Act. So that's the new stimulus that the government just signed a week ago to give small business loans to help supplement salaries for small companies, right? So this morning we're exploring whether that's something that we can do for our portfolio companies, just as an example of how you can help add value in this time.
Yep.
But on the other hand, what's going to happen now is that valuations are going to completely plummet for all new investments, right? So any investment, we're lucky, we have 2/3 of the fund undeployed. So most of our money now is going to run a lot further than it was before, because we're going to be getting startups at half the price that we were getting them 2 months ago.